What's up, GNC gang? I'm back once again with another video. We're not gonna do an unboxing, so I'm sure you guys have seen a million of these. The reason why I'm so late is because I ended up getting those from my local hobby shop because I want to support them. We're always there crawling, so I wanted to support them. Shop we've been doing business with for years, but we're supposed to be getting on that Wednesday or Thursday, but we ended up getting like an ice storm, and it's supposed to be coming that Friday. We didn't get it that Friday. We ended up getting it Monday. And today is, what, Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. And I'm just now getting a chance to mess with this thing. Been really, really busy. You guys stay tuned because I got a lot of 10 scale footage coming.
Change the tires somehow. Yes.
Like literally like $6 on it. Really? Yeah. You're gonna buy it, yeah, you're gonna.
As well as more 124 crawling coming.
Oh, that's definitely quiet. I like the yellow one. Yeah.
Gotta fit these wheels. I'm gonna get this thing open and I'll be back in just a moment. All right, guys, as you can see, I have it open. And just taking a look at it. I'm sure you guys have seen it a million times. And definitely I chose to go with the blue one. I like the tan. You got more options you can do as far as colors, as far as the wheels and other things. But I decided to go with the blue on this one. I forgot what they call these. But I know these are for if a vehicle gets stuck, you can put them down, and this will help with the traction. Just a few of the details, just going over a couple things. It's not stuff you guys hadn't already seen. The tough stuff. I think that's where a tent would go. Got the jerry cans, and you have the jack and a shovel inside here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Now, I've seen a few guys do this. This is something I'm probably going to do also. I think I'm going to remove this completely, the whole thing. I'm not really sure. I know I'm going to probably take that part off. But I got a few things I'm going to do to it before I actually, I got a few things I'm going to do to it before I actually run it. I may run it this weekend. I'm not really sure. I got a few parts coming in, which hopefully they'll be in by Saturday. I just got an alert saying they should be here by Saturday. And we got a few things that we're going to do to this thing right away. Now, looking at this, let's see. That bump is, yeah, I can't even lie, that bump is, man, that bump is. I think they could have done a little bit better with that bump. I'm not the only one that said something about it. It looked like it's actually, I don't know, it's like way out. Of course, you guys know the Velcro. And right away, this Velcro's coming loose. But on mine, I'm going to do something different. You guys been watching my channel, you pretty much know what I'm going to do. That'll probably be one of the first things that I will do. Now, looking at this right away, I noticed the space in between here, whereas this would have been, I can't remember if it was part of the way over the motor or all the way over the motor. That's going to be pretty cool because I can get some other motors in here without having to cut the, well, this is actually a whole different position. I don't have to cut that. Well, I don't know. We'll see. It's going to probably be pretty close, but it look like you won't have to do much of anything to that battery tray, which that should be pretty cool. And as most of you guys know, the new ESC, which I won't be using this. I'm going to get rid of this right away. I'll probably never drive it with this actual ESC and receiver combo. Same standard battery as usual. Same servo, which I may upgrade that at some point. I'm probably gonna have to with what I'm planning on doing. And I do like the hinge a whole lot better. I don't know if you guys can see inside of there. Tinted windows. You got the little cowboy in there. That's pretty cool also. And of course the wheels and tires are look like they're a little bit wider. I'll have to get something to compare it to. And of course it's a different finish. And then of course you guys know, everybody knows that the chassis itself is a whole lot longer. I think like 20 millimeters, which doesn't sound like a lot, but that is a lot when you're talking about this scale. So this is my Jeep. It's been modded, a few mods on it. See if you guys can see the difference in that wheelbase. It's a real big difference. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's a real big difference. This thing's like a bus versus a short bus. So it is going to be a different crawling experience because of the shorter wheelbase versus the longer wheelbase. Real big difference, guys. And can't really tell on this one, but that tray is a little bit different. Where the hinges, well, not the hinges, but where the bracket comes down. A little bit different. I do actually like all that open space in there. Give me a little bit more freedom to do some of the things I want to do. You guys probably already have an idea of what it is I want to do. That's going to be pretty cool. Also, when I get started on that. I know they say the springs are stiffer in the rear. Yeah, I can tell the difference in the rear versus the front. They are a little bit stiffer. I actually like that. Might not be too bad on the front also, by the time you put a little weight on it. But anyway, guys, it's better late than never. I just wanted to show you guys that I finally got one, and I will be starting on it pretty soon. If you don't mind, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.